How to make Spotify account private. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Spotify app on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Further, go ahead and tap on your profile option from the top left of your screen. You will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that and you will then see the option for privacy and social. Tap on that. Now go ahead and toggle on the button for private sessions. This will hide your listening activity from your followers. Make sure that privacy sessions automatically ends after 6 hours, so you might need to keep re-enabling it. Next, go ahead and toggle off the followers and following toggle button. With this, no one will be able to view the people you are following or the people who follows you. So these were a few ways on how you can make your account private. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.